Hello students, today we are going to study next combinational circuit, full subtractor. The disadvantage of half subtractor is overcome if we use the full subtractor. The full subtractor is combinational circuit with three inputs A, B and B in and two outputs difference and borrow. A is a minute bit and B is a subtrahend and B in is the borrow produced by the previous stage and D is the difference output and B0 is the borrow output. This is the block diagram of full subtractor. This is the combinational circuit. Then truth table for the full subtractor, there are the three inputs A, B, B in. There are the three inputs A, B, B in, and outputs difference and borrow. And in this there are the 8 conditions 0 0 0 1 sorry 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. These three bits we subtract. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, difference 0, borrow 0. 0 minus 1 sorry 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. 0 minus 1, borrow difference 1 and borrow 1 generated, and this borrow here 1 generated in last stage, minus 2 next stage, 1 minus 0 1, so borrow is 1. 0 minus 1 1, difference 1, and 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, and previous stage here 1 borrow is generated, so borrow is 1. 1 minus 0 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, borrow difference 1, borrow 1, borrow 0. 1 minus 0, difference 1, 1 minus 1 0, difference 0, borrow 0. 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, difference 0, 0 minus 0 0, difference 0, borrow 0. 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 1, and here 1 borrow generated we put here. This is the truth table for full subtractor. Then we have to design this difference is A minus B minus B in, A minus B minus B in, and borrow generated here, right. Then for this designing Boolean equation by using K-map method. So in this K-map method there is a 3 variable structure is required. This is the difference, and in this difference there are the 3 inputs, so 3 variable K-map structure is required. Boxes are 8. Here is A input, B, B in, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. This is A bar, A, B bar, B in bar, B bar, B in, B, B in, and B, B in bar. 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. These are the boxes. For every boxes their miniterm position. Then from this difference and borrow, from this table we design the difference equation. Difference 0 0 0 0 0 0, difference is 0. Then for 0 0 1 0 0 1, difference 1, 0 1 0, difference 1. This is a miniterm. Next for 0 1 1, this is the 3 miniterm position. Here is box 1 3 0 1 1, that difference 0. Next 1 0 1 1. Next for 5 and 6 is 0, and for 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, difference 1. Then you have to group that. Group are single grouping. Then equation for difference for this: A bar, B bar, B in. For this one, A bar, B, B in bar. For this one, A, B bar, B in bar. Next this is A, B, B in. from this equation you have to calculate the difference equation. Then b in term a bar b bar, this term ab, and from this term to term, that is b in bar a bar b plus a b bar. Then this is the XNOR equation and this is the XOR equation. So this equation b in bar, this convert XOR as a XNOR. So this equation a XOR b bar plus b in bar, and this term as a XOR b. Let consider a XOR b as a x. So this equation 1 become equation 1, that term b in x bar, b in bar x. Next output this term a b bar plus a bar b term, that this equation is like to XOR gate. So this equation as a b in XOR x, put the value of x. So this is equation for x value as a XOR b. This is the equation for difference. Then for borrow equation, borrow also required 3 variable K-map structure. So boxes are 8. So here is a b in 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, b in bar b bar b in, here is 1 1 and here is 1 0, b in bar, this is the a bar a, 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. For every box is having their minimum position. Then for borrow output, we fill the K-map 0 0 0 borrow 0, 0 0 1 borrow 1, 0 0 0 1 borrow 1, 0 1 0 0 1 0 borrow 1, 0 1 1 borrow 1. Next 1 0 0 1 0 0 borrow 0, 1 0 1 borrow 0, 1 1 0 1 1 0 borrow 1 1 0 borrow 0, 1 1 1 1 1 1 borrow 1. Then for this K-map grouping, this one pair, and this one pair. There are the 3 pairs. For pair 1, pair 2, and this is the pair 3. So for pair 1 equation, a bar b in this, and a b in bar. So law a bar b. For this equation, for this one, a bar b in, for this a bar b in. So these two terms a bar b, and here b in bar. So a plus a bar is equal to 1. For this term you have to use the Boolean law, a plus a bar is 1. So equation a bar a. Pair 2, this is the pair 2. For this equation, a bar b in, a bar b in, plus a bar b in. So common terms as a here a bar b in, and law for b bar plus b. So equation a bar b in. Next pair 3, this is pair 3 equation. This is a bar b in plus a b in. So equation for this pair, for this as a b in bar, and in bracket a bar plus a is 1. So that law, Boolean law. So equation b1. So borrow equation, total equation, that is a bar b pair 1, pair 2 a bar b plus b in. this is the equation for borrow, and this is the equation for difference. Then from this equation, difference and borrow, difference equation A XOR B XOR B in, and borrow equation A bar B in, A bar B B B in. From this equation I have to design the diagram. So that diagram for A bar term as a only NOT gate is required. So for A bar is term, so for A input we connect the NOT gate and output of NOT gate as a bar. Next, this is the B input, and next one is a B in input, and equation of difference A XOR B XOR B in, so we connect the XOR. A input is given, B input is given, B in input given, so difference equation is A XOR B XOR B in. And in difference borrow equation there are the these are the ANDing terms, so we require the 3 AND gate. For first AND gate, A bar input is connect, that is A bar, then B in, so output of AND gate A bar B in. Next, this is the A bar B, so output of this AND gate A bar B, and this equation for this term, that is input is B and B in connected, output of this AND gate is B in. There is addition of these all terms, so we connect here one OR gate, So borrow equation